Why do tiny ants lift 50 times their body weight? Get ready to be amazed by nature's strongest creatures. First up, the mighty dung beetle. This little guy can push over 1,000 times its weight. That's like you pushing 6 double-decker buses. Next, we have the leafcutter ant. These tiny titans carry chunks of leaves 50 times their body weight. Imagine lifting a car with your pinky. And don't forget the anaconda. These snake sultans can squeeze with a force of 90 psi. That's like having a school bus parked on your chest. So next time you think you're strong, remember these animal powerhouses. Nature's gym is always open.